Hello friends, today in this simple example I will be showing you that how to download a txt file from a server in JavaScript application. So this is a text area. Here you can just write anything here. This is a file, and after writing it you can just click this download button, so it will download it as attachment. You can see that it contains this text. So we will be making this simple application from scratch in HTML and JavaScript. So inside your favorite text editor, make a new file which is index.html. So right here inside this we will be having a text area. It will be having the rows will be equal to 5 and the columns will be equal to 15. And let me also give an ID to it of text area. So now if I refresh it, it will be having a text area. You can see that here we can just write anything, and after that we will be having a simple button in order to submit the form. Let me also give an ID to it of button, and this will be download file. And if I refresh it, you will be seeing that this is a button. And now I just need to bind a simple click handler inside this. So we will be writing our script tags. So inside this, first of all, we will be selecting our button. Button will be equal to document.getElement by ID. So we will be selecting the button by its ID, which we have given as button. And now we just need to add a event listener, which will be click. So when we click the button, we just need to execute this callback function. So here we can just write an alert statement, something that the button is clicked. And now if I show you, if I click this button, this statement will be executed, button is clicked. And now what we want to extract the content which is written inside this text area. So we will be getting the text area VAL, and this we can achieve by simply writing document.getElement by ID, and we have given the text area a ID. Let me just show you. This is the ID that we have given text area, and in order to extract the value we will write here dot value. So this will get the value which the user has typed. And let me also declare another variable which will be file name. So you can give any file name of your choice. I will be giving as output.txt. And now I will be calling a very simple function which will be download. So this will expect first argument as the text area value, and second of all it will expect the file name. So this will be the custom function that we will make here. So right here below this we will make a simple function of download. It will first of all have the text area value and the file name. And now inside this we just need to make the simple element. Let me use the document.createElement. This is we will be creating an anchor element. So inside single quotes you need to write anchor element. So just write single quotes here. So inside single quotes write the anchor element. Now we just need to set some attributes about this anchor element. So we set it by the set attribute method. So the first attribute that we want to set is the href attribute. So inside again single quotes we want to write href. And the value that we want to set is this value. Let me just copy paste this value. So this is specific for every extension of the file. Let me just copy paste it. So basically we are writing here, let me just pause the video and write this by yourself, which is in single quotes data colon text slash plain semicolon char set is equal to utf-8, and then we are concatenating this function which is encode URI component, and then we are passing the actual text that needs to be downloaded. So just write this. And now after this we will be setting another attribute which will be download. This I will pass the actual file name that needs to download, that's it. After setting this, we just need to add this element to the DOM, so which we can just do document.body, and then we just need to call this simple function which will be append child. We just need to pass our element, but before that we just need to change this display property element.style.display to none. Just make this to none here, and after that we just need to click this element, click this anchor tag element.click. After that we just need to remove this element, so document.remove child, and we just need to pass the element, that's it. So this completes our function, guys. So now if I refresh the application, go back to the application, and here if I write something here that is hello world, if I write this text here and if I click download file, let me just see, go to the inspect element, what is the problem here. It is saying that text is not defined, so I have made a mistake here. Text is not defined. On which line number it is saying? Index 19 number. Oh sorry, we need to pass this value, that it is text area value. We have passed the wrong value here, so just delete this text area value, pass this value. So now it will work. So if you write something here, click the download file button. So reference error, none is not defined on line 23. Element.style.display. Oh sorry, we need to put single quotes here. So now it will work 100%. Now if I refresh it, if I write something here, click the download file button, you will see that output.txt file has been generated. If I open this file, the text will be there inside this file, you can see that. So this is a very simple example by which we can just download a simple txt file from a server using JavaScript. So thanks very much for watching this video.